Hello guys, welcome to HTML CSS web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 4. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can get this knowledge and make their own websites very easily. Now let's start. Today we are going to talk about that how we can make the table. Let me tell you something first that this is the website that we have created in our last lecture series with the help of table tag in the HTML. So you can see the website is looking very nice, very beautiful website, and you can see all the pages here. So on the blog page we also have created the registration form. So now today I will tell you that how you can make the structure of this website very easily just in a 1 minute with the help of Dreamweaver. Now let's start. I will open a new file. Now let me tell you one thing more. This is the structure of the HTML, that how you can write the HTML in the Dreamweaver. This is the opening this is the opening HTML tag and this is the closing HTML tag. In between we have to write this body tag and this one is the head tag. Now in the head tag we have to write the title of the website which we want to present, like this is the make choice you can write here, then it will be shown in the title. And this is the meta character tag. This is what we are going to tell the browser, that this is the HTML file, then the browser will show the output in a very good way and in the correct way, you can say. Now we have to write each and everything in the body. Now what I will do is I will just click on the design view, then I will click on Control Alt and T button. So this dialog box will be appear, and if I do not remember the shortcut key, then what can I do? I will just click on the insert, and here you can see the table is showing here with the shortcut key. I will click on it. Now it will ask about the rows and column, how much rows and column I want to present. Then what I will do is, this is my website, so how I will judge the rows and column, let's see. This one is one row in which logo and advertisement banner is showing. So this is first row. This is second row with the menu, you can see. And this is the third row with the news sticker. So 1, 2 and 3 rows. So this is the fourth row for the banner. And this is the content area. So you can say this is the fifth row, all is fifth row. And this one is the sixth row with the footer. So I will write here 6 rows, right? Now how much column I need, let me tell you. In the first row, this one I need 2 columns, one is for the logo and one is for the advertisement banner. And in the second row I need the 5 columns for my 5 menus: home, marketing, designing, blog and content. These are 5, so I need the 5 column here. In the recent news I need just the 2 columns, one is for the heading recent news and one is for the news. Here I need one row and 1 column, right? And here I need you can see the 3 column. One is, this is the content area with the 2 sidebars, so I need the 3 columns. And here again I need 1 column and 1 row, so highest I need is 5 columns, like this. In this row 5 columns, so I will write here 5. And this table I want border width 100%, border thickness 1. I do not need any cell padding or cell spacing. What is padding and spacing, I will tell you also this thing, and I have also explained this thing in my last lecture series. If you want to know about the table each and everything, you can review my web course lecture series, right? I will click here, so you can see the table with the 5 columns and 6 rows are showing here. Now how I can convert according this. In the first row I need the logo and banner. So what I will do is, I have a 5 columns but I need 2 columns here. how I can merge them. So I will click on the Windows. Here you can see the properties is tab is showing here. If you can also open this with the Control plus F3. I will click here. Now what I want to do is, here this is the smaller area and this is the bigger area. So what I will do is I will merge these two cells for logo. So for merging the cell, this is the icon. You have to click here, merge cell. Then you can see the space for the logo is created, and for the banner you will click here. You will select these three cells and click on merge. So you can see the logo and space for the banner is created. Now in the second, I need the 5 column, so I will not disturb these 5 cells. In the third row, what I need a single column, and basically I need 2 column. One is smaller and one is bigger. So what I will do, I will leave this one cell and the remaining 4 I will merge. I will click on the merge. You can see now in the fourth row, what I need, one column and one row for the banner. So I will merge all the cells here. Hope you understand everything. If you do not understand, you can comment me. I will answer your questions, right? And when we come here in this area, what I need is, I need the columns on the side bars, and in between I will merge the cell. Here you can see in between I will merge the cell, and in the last, this is the footer, one column and one row. So what I will do is I will merge all the cells. You can see the structure is created. Now how I will show the structure like this, let me tell you. I will put the height. If my logo's height is what, here I will click here, and in this column I will write the height. I will write here 90. You can see the logo and advertisement area is showing here. Now for the menu, you can see for the menu, you will click in this menu cell and you will write here height like 70. You can write the menu here. Now in this area, this is the new sticker area, you can write here 40. You have to write the height here 40, right? Now you just have to click here and write the banner area. My banner area is 300. So you can see the logo and advertisement area is created. This is the menu area and this is the new sticker area, like this: logo, menu and new sticker. Now this is the banner area. Here you can show your banner. And now for the content, what you will do, you will click here and you will write here the height is 600. So you can see the content area is also showing with the two sidebars like this. The content area with the two sidebar is showing here. Now what I need the footer. For the footer, I will write here and I will write here something like 70. You can see the footer area is also created. So in this way you can create the structure of any website in the table tag. But guys, here is very important thing is that you just can make the static website with the help of table tag. This is very you can say old technique that we use here, but nowadays we use the div based method for our dynamic websites. That how you can make the dynamic website with the help of div, HTML and CSS. I will tell you in the further lectures. So you have to use the div based method. If you want to make the static website, 5 pages website, you can create with the help of table tag. But for the dynamic side, we use the table, not the table tag, we use the div based method. because we have to do that website's responsive layout with the responsive layout, so that's why we use this. Now if you want to show the logo here, what you will do, you will just click on here and you will write here logo, and I will write here something for you, banner. So you can see, you can write anything here, you can show the logo here, you can show the banner. If you want to write here anything in the menu, you will just click on the cell and you will come in the code view, then it will, the cursor will represent over there. Now you can make the structure of the website within a few seconds or few minutes, you can say, in a very simple way. But you can use this just for the static website. For the dynamic website you will use the div based method, and I will prefer you to use the div based method also for the static websites, which is we are going to start in the next lectures. Now let me tell you some more facts. So why we use the table here, we can also use the table for just to show the data in the tabular form. Like in the tabular form, let me give you one example. Let me close this table here. I will create a new table here. Like this. In this I will write here tr. This is the structure of the table. Like you have to write the structure table, then tr, then td, right? In between, what I will write here, t head. This is t head, right? You can also write here the th. In the th I will write what, like first name, right? Let me copy this just to save the time for you guys. So I will write here the last name, write here email. I will save my file in the desktop. So you can see this is the heading of the tables are showing, like if you want to show your data in the table form, like first name, last name and email. So what I will do, in the next row I will create a next row tr this, and here I will do what, I will write here the td. In this td I will write here my first name, like pc, and the second name I will write here bf, and in the email right, I will save this thing, refresh my browser. So you can see the table is showing in the HTML and CSS just to show the tabular data in the tabular form. Like here you can see this is the first name, this is the last name, and this is the email address. So you cannot judge this. I will also tell you that how you can judge this thing with the help of CSS. I will tell you. You can also tell here the border. So 1 pixel. Save this. Here you can see, right? So it is showing in the border form. How you can do this in the presentable form, I will tell you when in the next lecture we are going to start our CSS. Then I will tell you, right? Now what I will do is I will tell you further some more tags that if you want to show the registration page in the HTML CSS, how you can do this, how you can write this first name, and how you can get the input and button. I have already tell you. Let me tell you. you will write here the label tag, the label closing tag. In it you will write first name. Here you can see the first name is showing here. Now if you want to take the input from the user, then for this purpose you have to write here input. So when you are going to write the input, there is no closing tag, so input you have to write the type. So there are many different type. If you want to show the button here, you can write the type button. You can write the checkbox like this. If you want to show the checkbox, then you will write here checkbox. If you want to change the color, date time, local, email, file. If you want to upload some file, then you will write here the file. You can also write here the image. You can also write here the radio button to show the radio button. Let me write here text for you. Right, I will save my file, refresh my browser. You can now take any input from here, and if you want to take the passwords, and then what you will do is copy this and paste it here. I will write here password. Here type, I will write here the password. I will save my file, refresh my browser. Here you can see nobody can see your word, so the password is. So in this way you can write anything for your registration form. Then now from the next we are going to start our CSS lectures, and I will tell you that how you can write everything like this with the help of CSS, HTML and CSS. So guys, this is all for today. If you like my video, please thumbs up my video, like my videos, subscribe my channel, and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can sites very easily. Thank you so much.